All right, using our theorems here in 102 from closure, got a couple complex polar forms, Z1 and Z2. And when we multiply Z1 times Z2, the words I want us to say is multiply and add. What that means is we multiply the coefficients and we add the angles. Cosine of 7 pi over 12 plus pi over 4 plus I sine, same thing, 7 pi over 12 plus pi over 4. And I'll go through this. So we multiplied the r's and we added the thetas. Good. 6 times 3 is 18. Cosine of, let's come up with a common denominator, it's probably going to be 12. 7 pi over 12 plus 3 pi over 12 is 10 pi over 12. What is 10 pi over 12? 5 pi over 6, which is where? Right here. So its cosine should be negative root 3 over 2, and its sine should be positive 1/2 times I. And if I multiply the 18 through and divide by 2, of course, I should get negative 9 root 3 plus 9i. There it is. And then if we divide, we want to divide the r's and subtract thetas. So I'm going to kind of do this in one step. Z1 6/3. Now, cosine of 7 pi over 12 minus, I'm going to use this kind of right here, minus 3 pi over 12 is 4 pi over 12. If I take a 4 out, I actually get pi over 3. So this is where the pi over 3 comes from here. Subtracting the angles. And the cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2. And the sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. Don't lose our I. 6/3 is 2. 2 times 1/2 is 1. 2 times I root 3 over 2 is I root 3. Very nice.